All right, I'll call you back. Come in. Okay, well, you are welcome to this great interview. You already know this establishment is known for a good and a honorable reputation. Young man, are you sure you are here for this job?
Yeah, I'm here.
And you're pressing your phone.
Sorry, sir.
Tell me, what do you have to offer?
Sir, my name is Richard, the son of Chief Mando.
The chief that just commissioned the estate not too far from here.
Exactly, sir.
All right, which position are you going for?
I think the manager will be okay, sir.
We have a manager already, but I'll swap him. You are employed.
No problem.
Thank you very much for coming. Young lady, what do you have to offer?
My name is Jenny.
Okay.
I have a lot. I have what it takes. I have the body.
It's another strategy. In this company, we work tactically.
I use my body to attract rich men. Rich men. Rich men.
Stand up, let me see the package you are carrying. $90. Very good, very good. Which position do you want to go for?
I would like to go for the secretary.
All right, we already have a secretary, but I'm sacking her straight ahead.
And there's no he can ever make heaven.
Young man.
Well done, sir.
Why are you smiling? What do you have to offer?
Okay, my name is Effie.
Leave the name.
Ma?
Go straight to the point.
Ma?
Somebody want to receive call.
Hello? Yeah, Chief. Yes, sir. I just received the alert. To you, no problem. It's all right, sir.
Somebody is receiving call. Right, you want to talk? You are done now. Very good. So tell me, what do you have to offer?
My name is Effie.
Leave the name. Straight to the point.
Sorry. My name is Effie. Sorry. My name is I have CEO. I have my first class. First class. And also I have my knowledge too. And I also have wisdom. If I can handle this office very well, you can go and ask around. Everybody know me very well. I have a lot of experience too. First class is very important.
So far, so good. How has it affected your life?
Ma?
Go and be using your result at home.
Scope attention.
Stand up. Stand up! Security!
Sir, let me go.
Security!
I can also...
Security! You have your results. I'm very sorry for the inconveniences. Young man, you resume work as soon as possible.
All right, sir.
Secretary, see me in my office.
Okay, sir.